This compact axe, ready and versatile, tackles tasks from chopping firewood to throwing. Crafted from a single piece of 4 mm thick steel, it weighs 700 grams. Priced at $35, buyers also receive a 90-page Survival Tips (PDF) as a bonus. An essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts seeking durability and functionality. The Einhell Antio is a cordless window cleaning tool that not only cleans, but also collects dirty water. It offers a 120 centimeters extension and various attachments for versatile use on windows, tiles, shower stalls, and more. The tool, without a battery, is priced at $58. This award-winning shelter excels in both design and functionality, earning recognition in the International Red Dot Design Competition and undergoing testing in Alaska. A lifesaver for winter enthusiasts, it supports a 70 kilograms load and, in specific conditions, maintains an interior temperature 24 degrees Celsius warmer than the outside. Mass production details are pending. T-Rex team offers a range of duct tapes catering to diverse needs. They have a waterproof version for plumbers, all-weather tape for interior and exterior work, and the robust T-Rex brute force tape for survivalists. With Forge Link technology, a loop can bear a substantial 37.5 kilograms load. Priced at $17 per roll. Crafted in the USA and designed for longevity, this folding bow is a survivalist dream. Arrows zip through the air at an impressive 60 meters/second, marking it as the fastest among its peers. When not in use, the bow conveniently folds into a compact case, easily fitting into many backpacks. Priced at $200. Say goodbye to the old way of changing light bulbs. The Under Universal Bulb Changing Kit offers a safer approach with telescopic handles, 1.2 to 6 meters, and interchangeable grips. It securely holds various bulbs, including compact fluorescents. Get the set, including a 3.3 meters handle and 5 grips, all for just $50. Upgrade your light bulb game today. The roller cleaner is essential for painters and anyone using paint rollers. It streamlines cleanup by scraping off excess paint and efficiently cleaning rollers up to 23 centimeters wide. Priced at just $7, it's a cost-effective solution for maintaining your painting tools. The Aromatic Folding Spotlight brightens your workspace for 4.5 hours. With adjustable brightness from 1,500 to 5,000 lumens, its tripod extends to 1.9 meters. The spotlight weighs 5.2 kilograms. The Dot Shot dispenser, widely used in warehouses and packaging, excels with cans and plastic bottles. It creates a 3.2 millimeter space line of glue dots, adjustable to different materials. Priced at $80, a $18 roll of tape is required. The Aux Pro Claw Bar is unique with a special head and a non-slip handle, suitable for both hammering and prying. Available in 25 and 30 centimeters, the larger size is priced at $21. The Bowdy Featherboard is essential for applying pressure when using a circular saw. Its innovative EVA feathers are 5 times more kickback resistant than plastic. A featherboard with 6 feathers is available for $35.